What's up, family? And
What's
welcome
up?
back to the channel. And today's our anniversary.
Yes.
How many years?
You don't know how many years?
12. Yeah, 12. Today is our 12th wedding anniversary. And usually we would have spent our anniversary in a fancy restaurant,
Mm-hmm.
but we spent our anniversary in a fancy van,
Man.
a luxurious van.
To us.
No, it's luxurious, yeah, right.
Luxurious. I can't say that.
It's, yeah.
Luxurious.
But, and we had a 5-star meal. We had a 5-star meal.
Yes.
5-star stir fry,
Mm-hmm.
you know, in our van. This is a different scenery, but it's awesome.
Yep.
And, oh, the kids are not with us
Yeah.
tonight
just me and you.
either. It's just us tonight. The kids are not with us.
They are with their grandmother.
They're with their grandmother.
So we're just enjoying our time together.
Yes.
Our dinner. Maybe watch a movie.
Mm-hmm.
Talk some. But 12 years.
12 years.
12 wonderful
Yes. And we're stealth.
years. Oh,
We're
yeah.
stealth.
We're
We're
stealth.
closed up. We're
Mm-hmm.
sealed off. And we just look like a normal van
Mm-hmm.
sitting here.
That's so fun.
Huh?
So, I mean, like, no one knows we're in here. No.
No one knows we're in here.
So cool.
From the outside looking in, no one knows it. I don't think so.
Nope.
Yeah, I think all the light is. I wonder, like, should we go outside and walk around the van and see if we can see any light? Y'all know how, like, what's the guy name? Steve. Y'all know how Steve Wallace, he put his tent up, then he go walk around and see if anybody can see the tent. Like, maybe we need to turn the lights on, go outside, unless we don't want to be seen outside. But now that we have you all here, we want to talk about, is it the pros and cons to van life? Or like what we've experienced
So far.
so far. Pros and cons to us so far. I think we've been, you know, actually rolling a little over 30 days maybe. But
Yeah.
we've learned a lot with doing this. And I guess the biggest thing is electrical. Electrical, 12 volt, charging. Charging is the biggest thing. Because we have the power to do what we need. It's just keeping our batteries at full capacity. You know, we've been doing the shore power chargers lately, which takes like 7 hours to get a full charge. We haven't, like, doing the calculations on solar panels, it's going to take a lot of solar panels to keep these things fully charged. But we've had some pretty like hot days, right?
Yes. 90-degree weather.
Yes.
It's been hot.
It's been hot, and it's like I see where the AC would run straight about what we did the other day.
What you mean?
The AC, like it'll run like 4 hours off this battery. But that's it. Like, I want a generator. You want a generator?
Yep.
I want a generator. I don't know. I try to stay away from generators. Like, we used to run generators in our food truck, so I know generators are run for 10 hours with no problem. Which I would get a quiet one. But the amount of solar panels I need, it's like double the cost of a generator, maybe triple the cost of a generator.
Yeah.
So we would eventually get solar panels, but right now, a generator is more cost efficient.
Sorry.
A generator is more cost efficient.
Now, my only con being in the van so far is just making sure that there's enough air for us and the kids. Now, mainly the kids, because I want them to be comfortable inside of the van. It's a new experience for them. It's a new experience for us, but for them as being kids that, this new generation, this is something different, So I want them to be comfortable in the van, in Bluey. And like I said, us living in the South, it gets very hot. Because we're not like traveling abroad just yet. But being here so far, having a van so far and being in hot climate like my kind, I just want more air. So with that, we need to insulate the ceiling more. And
that's where the heat comes from.
yeah. And someone said, well, more than one person suggested that because our roof is black.
Yeah.
So more than one person has suggested that we paint it white. Now that would change the whole look of our van, Bluey, but that has been something that we have considered. We're gonna, try to put more insulation first to see if that works, and then we'll go from there. But
yeah,
I just I want them to be cool.
Yeah.
And then in the cab, I want us to be a little cooler too.
Yeah.
But
oh, the kids had the chance. Well, let me say this first. Those that follow us, you all know that we wanted to get the kids like reaction and how they would be, or how they would feel in here if they would be like, I don't like this, then we have to change it, But it's like almost every time we're like something new. Every time something new is like put in here or a new place or whatever, like it's like they're getting more and more excited. Like each time.
yeah.
I think the last thing was when we installed the microwave. Like, they're kids. They love microwaves. So to have a microwave, a toaster, and an air fryer.
We have a stove,
Yeah.
refrigeration, have a microwave, a toaster, a air fryer.
Mm-hmm.
You have an air conditioner. You have a bed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's a mini RV, and I love it. And our daughter, our son is too, but she's been interested in RVs now.
Yeah. And well, actually, she had, but they had the opportunity to look inside of a Class B, Class C.
Class C.
They had the opportunity to look inside of a Class C.
And
look,
everything.
It wasn't like your nicest Class C, but it was they looked inside of this Class C and they went crazy. Like,
it's like, you got a bathroom and
I mean,
a loft bed.
I never seen them that excited about something that wasn't like kid friendly type stuff. You know, they get excited about like you know, a trampoline park or something like that, but a new video game or a new TV show. But to see them that excited about an RV, you know, I'm gonna say to see them that excited, I would like for us to work towards getting, you know, something, maybe a Class C or a schoolie or box truck or something bigger. We wanted to see, like, is this something that y'all would like to do? And they like, look, they love it now. That is just a whole nother level for them. I'm gonna say my plans, because I think she wanted to travel like longer than I had plans to. But now that the kids are that interested in, you know, van life or traveling, plans could change where I wanted to come back like after a year and just do homesteading. But I'm thinking now, with them excited about it, we'll probably travel a little longer or be out, you know, a little longer.
So, you guys, like we said, today's our anniversary, 12 years. We're about to watch a little TV, and that's going to be it for tonight. And that's going to be it for this video.
Good night.
Good night.
But his last name's Marston. You're gonna need to leave. Based on psychology.
Hey, Mike, posting down. Stay low, all right?
You can fight for the money, but that'll take you most of the year and cost you twice. Well, it's pretty clear you need it. And I know what that's like.
That's family, so